In this video, I'm going to show you how to predict your taxes with TaxCaster, the TurboTax calculator. This handy tool takes the guesswork out of tax season, allowing you to estimate your tax refund or find out how much you might owe. Let's jump right in and get you familiar with this powerful tool. First, head over to the official TurboTax website. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection before you start, as this will make the process smoother and quicker. Once you're on the home page, scroll down the home page until you find the section labeled Tax Tools. It's usually easy to spot, but take your time if needed. These tools are designed to help you understand different aspects of your tax situation, and TaxCaster is one of the most popular options available. Now, click on the TaxCaster Tax Calculator link. This will take you directly to the page where you can start estimating your potential refund or tax payment. TaxCaster is known for its user-friendly interface, so even if you're not a tax expert, you'll find it quite intuitive. Once you're on the TaxCaster page, look for the button that says Calculate My Refund. Clicking this will start the process. The tool will prompt you to enter various financial details. Accurate information is crucial here to make sure your estimate is as close to the real thing as possible. You'll be asked about your income, taxes already paid, and other essential tax-related information. As you enter all the necessary information, TaxCaster will begin processing and crunching the numbers to provide you with an estimate of your tax refund or what you might owe. Remember, while this tool is very helpful, it's always wise to consult a tax professional if you have a complex tax situation. They can offer insights and make sure everything is accurate and optimized for your finances. If at any point you're unsure or need to make changes to the data you entered, you can easily edit your information on the TaxCaster page. The goal is to get the most precise estimate possible, so take your time to review and adjust anything that seems off. And that's it. You now know how to use the TaxCaster tool to predict your taxes. This simple process can give you peace of mind as you prepare for tax season. It's always beneficial to have a clear picture of your financial obligations, and with TaxCaster, you're one step ahead. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.